Today we're cleaning out some gold. Got our concentrates here from today. I didn't bother showing you the whole rigmarole and dry washing and all that. You've seen enough of it the last couple of weeks. Me and Rick are here running our concentrates from our trip today down the mighty poop tube. And you can already see a nice piece right in there. I don't know how well that shows up. That's a nice chunky one. There's a bunch of them up here. I think we did pretty good today. We're going to find out here in a little bit. There's a lot of gold in there already. Woot woot. These things are really cool. And this one, like I said, is put together with a piece of gutter, like a piece of white one here. And I put the half of the corrugated 3-inch pipe in here. Glued it in. And then hooked it to the board. Well, actually, I hooked the gutter to the board first, then put the riffles in so I didn't have a screw hole in there. Kind of cool though, works real well. That's a nice piece right there. Just a shining. Some more up here, you can see them pretty good. Yep. This is my favorite part, is just to clean up. He just slowly dumps it in there. And we seldom find any gold down here in the bottom. It's usually all from a third of the way down and up. If you're finding it way down here, you're not running it right. And there might be some way down there. We kind of moved that gutter around to water the trees here. It hasn't rained for almost 2 years, it really mattered. Just a little piddle of rains. But yeah, the mighty poop tube. This is going to be a pretty impressive showing, I do believe. I'm going to let Rick keep feeding it, and we'll get back to you in a minute. Okay, we got this stuff all run through the tube, and you can see the gold in there. Quite a bit of it. We're going to clean this out and show you how we do that here in a minute. Very cool. Gold. Okay, we stopped the water. You can see a little better. A yellow rock right there, but as you move up, look at all the gold in them riffles, my friends. Yep. Today was a good one, I think. Yes, it was. Yes, it was. And I see a piece all the way down here, I think. I don't know. We're going to clean it up, and I'll show you how we do it here in a second. It's a little tricky getting some of the stuff out of the poop tube. But you rinse it right without blowing it off to the sides. It's all good. You can actually suck it out of there with a snuffer bottle, but there's a lot of big stuff in there, and it's a long process. So I'm going to show you the quick and easy way in here in a minute. Look out, boy. Look at all that gold. Look at all that gold, man. Look at it all. See it? Those top ones? Now you can see all that gold in there real easy now. Look at that. It's just loaded with gold. And I'm going to show you how to rinse it out there without losing any. Okay, we're just going to stick it straight up and down in here like so. And Rick is going to come up. He's controlling the water flow, and we're just putting it right in the pan. If you get too much water flow while you're doing this, what's going to happen is you're going to blow the gold right out over the sides. It just squirts right out and goes onto the ground. Not cool after a hard day's work. You see that okay? Now I'm going to tip it a little bit this way. He's getting up to where the good gold is now. Ooh, I seen it going too. See, yeah, it's not blowing out. See, you got the water going too fast, it blows out the side and it get all the way over here on my knee or something. That's not good. And then after this, he's going to go real quick up and down these riffles, and that'll wash all the little bitty pieces in. Hear him rubbing it? That gets the little ones out. And now it's all in the pan, theoretically. Let me look. Oh, so, no, he got it all. Okay, and that's it. Now we're gonna pan it out, and I'll be back to show you what we got. All right, we're panning here, and part of what I do is when we're panning is use a magnet to help get the black sands out of here. And you shake it good because the gold, of course, isn't attracted to the magnet. And that gives me a lot less stuff to pan. A little bit of gold sometimes gets caught. See, there's a little piece right there by my thumb. And you shake it a little bit, and they come out. And then Rick cleans it off for me. I'm going to make one more pass with the magnet. We're going to pan this. Look at it. I'm just going to do this for fun. Just to show you. Look at all the gold. See it right there? Just that quick shake. Look at that. Nice chunk right there. Oh, mamma mia. Look at it all through there. This is going to be a nice pan of gold, my friends. Okay, so we're going to take the magnet, go right over that gold, through here, tap it a few times, get any gold stuck. We just about got everything magnetic out of here now. That makes work a lot easier. Okay. Ooh. Almost dropped the pan. That would have got me socked in the eye. Fired. Fired. All right, I'm going to pan this out and show you what we got. Alrighty, for this short little video, here we go. Da, 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 da. That's what we got, and honestly, we only worked about 2 hours. Probably 30 to 50 buckets of dirt. I don't know, somewhere in there. We're working pretty hard. That's not too shabby. It gets hot pretty fast here right now, so we get out of the desert when it's hot like that. But we're thinking it's worth it. We got a nice little jar of gold going on. This is from our runs out there. We're getting there. We're gonna fill her up. We're gonna fill her up. But anyway, like these videos, subscribe, ring the bell, and leave a comment. I can shoot her out.